Well, hi there, it's Josh here from Advanced Coupons, and thanks for watching this quick getting started video for the Advanced Coupons plugin. We'd love to have you on board with the plugin, and I know you'll find it really useful for your site. So we wanted to build up a knowledge base here for you to use as you need to learn things about the plugin. And today in the video, I'm going to go through all the different features of the plugin. And it's going to be just a high level. It'll be like an overview of how the plugin works and what it does. So I have set up a Advanced Coupons demo site. So this is my demo site here. And I've just installed a basic WooCommerce and imported all the sample products just to give us a bit of a base to work with. And you can see that it's got all the sample products there. And if I switch back to the back end here, I'd like to show you just what Advanced Coupons adds to the coupons interface. So with the coupons in WooCommerce, let's just add a coupon here so that you can see the kind of default nature of coupons. So if I'm creating my coupon, I just pop in my coupon here, so test code, and I get a few different options here to manipulate how the coupon works. So this is determining the discount type, the amount for the discount, and expiry date, whether the coupon grants free shipping, some basic usage and restrictions. So for example, you can have it check for if there's a product in the cart, or exclude if there is certain products in the cart. But overall, it's fairly limited when it comes to actually running deals on your store. So the reason we built Advanced Coupons was a frustration. It was a real frustration with the default nature of coupons in WooCommerce. They're just not powerful enough. So when you want to run things like, say, a buy one, get one deal, you can't do that with the basic coupons. You can't add more advanced conditions to your coupons or restrict them to users or anything like that. So let's just go ahead, and I'm going to leave this coupon screen. I'm going to activate the Advanced Coupons for WooCommerce plugin. So this is our plugin here. And when we go back to the WooCommerce coupons interface, let's get back into that test code one that we just created. And you'll notice here that the coupon options have multiplied. There's so many more options here that you can use to restrict your coupons, run certain kinds of deals, add conditions to the coupons, add free products, BOGO deals, one-click notifications. There's lots and lots and lots of power here that you can take advantage of. So let's just have a quick look through the screen. So these first few tabs are going to look pretty much the same because those are the default WooCommerce coupons. And we'll start with the URL coupons. So URL coupons essentially means that you can create a coupon. So I've created mine here, and it generates a link. And you can use that link to actually apply the coupon. Now this is really great for email marketing. So if you are sending a broadcast email out to your list and you have a coupon deal attached, in the past you would have to be really specific about the coupon, give instructions about how to use the coupon, what they need to do. But now with Advanced Coupons, you can actually give them a URL to click. So that means you can put it onto a button in your email marketing and have them click that button, and it'll automatically apply the coupon to their cart. So this is a really, really powerful tool for email marketing. Next we have the scheduler. So the scheduler gives you more fine-grained control over when the coupon starts, if there's a message that's shown to people if it hasn't started yet, so you can give them some instructions there. So maybe come back next week, this coupon isn't valid yet. Coupon expiry, you can set the exact date that you want the coupon to expire, and if the coupon code has expired, you can tell it the message that you want to show the user. So I'm sorry, this deal is finished now. Keep tuned, and we'll keep you posted about any future deals, and maybe put in an email opt-in or something like that. So you can use this. It's just a bit more power than what you get with the standard coupons in WooCommerce. Next is the role restrictions. So when you check this, you can actually choose which user roles should be allowed to access your coupons. For example, you can actually apply it only to guests. So if you don't want anybody else, any registered customers or anything to be able to use this coupon, if it's maybe it's a welcome coupon or something like that, and you only want guest users to be able to use it, then you can restrict it just to guests and provide an error message, a nice message there to users that try to use it but they aren't actually allowed to. So that's a really powerful tool. You can also do it the other way around. So say if you want only registered customers to do it, if you're using perhaps a wholesale plugin like Wholesale Suite, so that's another plugin that we make, wholesalesweetplugin.com, and you can use that to restrict only to wholesale customers, for example. So there's a lot of power just in this role restrictions, but the next section here is called cart conditions. Now cart conditions let you set a set of conditions that must be true before the coupon is allowed to be applied. So let's give an example. We'll add a group here. This is a condition group, so you can group your conditions together, and I want to test for a product with a certain quantity in the cart. So let's just let's look for something here. Let me grab a product. All right, let's go this beanie. So we go for a beanie with logo, I think it was. Yep, that's the one there. WooCommerce beanie with logo, and I want to only be able to use this coupon if I have more than one beanie in the cart. So that would mean I can only use the coupon if there is 2 or more of these beanies in the cart, so more than one. And I add that condition to my list here, and now it's going to test for that particular condition every time it tries to apply this coupon. And I can also add extra ones. So let's look for something else. So long sleeve tee. Let's go for that. Long sleeve tee. Here we go. And I also want to have. Let's go with more than 0. So now they need to have at least 2 beanies and at least 1 long sleeve tee in their cart before they're allowed to apply this coupon code. And there's, as you can see here in this list, there's lots of other conditions here that you can use. So you can test for a product category. So products from a certain category must exist in the cart. You can test if the customer is logged in, whether they have a certain user role. You can test if they are within a certain number of hours after they registered, which is quite powerful if you like to give them a deal after they've made their first order, for example. You can do within hours after the customer's last order. So that would be good if you had a recurring, like some sort of consumable product. If you wanted to have them order again within a certain amount of time, that could be a great one to use there. You can test for a certain quantity of items in the cart. The cart subtotal, you can check if they've ordered a certain product before in the past. So if you're giving them a deal on a product that they need to reorder, you can check if they've ordered that before, and that's a condition of using the actual coupon. So there's lots of ways you can use this to actually restrict the application of coupons and whether people are allowed to apply a coupon. The next section we have here is called Add Free Products. So you can use this to give away free products, essentially. So imagine that we have, let's go with a cap. So let's look for the cap. Here we go, WooCommerce cap, and I want to give them 1 of those products. So now that I have this in the list here, every time this coupon is applied, it will give away a free cap. So essentially adds it to the cart at 0 cost, and they get the free product. So that combined with other cart conditions and maybe the URL coupons, you can start to see where I'm going here. This will get a lot of ideas flowing in your head about you can give away samples, you can give away bonus products and stuff like that. These are really, really powerful deals to get people motivated to actually use coupons and boost your revenue in your store. Another approach you can take with advanced coupons is to use a BOGO deal. So a BOGO, if you're not familiar with the term, it means buy one, get one. So you can use, you've probably seen these all through your shopping centers, all in the supermarkets and stuff like that, and there's absolutely no reason why you can't use it online as well. So let's just type let's look at a couple of different things here. So let's go for the t-shirt. Actually, let's use a hoodie. So imagine if they buy a hoodie with a logo, and we want to say if they buy 2 of these, then add the following products to the cart. And let's say if they buy a hoodie, they get a cap. So for every 2 hoodies that they add to the cart, they get 1 cap for free. And you can choose if you want to apply this BOGO deal only once, or if you want to apply the deal repeatedly. So that would mean, if I went repeatedly, that would mean for every 2, they'll get a cap. And if it's only once, it'll mean for every 2 hoodies or more, they get 1 cap. Now, the final section here is called one-click apply notifications. These are very, very useful if you want to apply a coupon, if you want to detect whether a coupon can be applied, and have that automatically tell the customer when they get to the cart page. So, for example, if you want to have, say, like a special deal, and you've noticed that the coupon, the roll restrictions and everything are okay, the cart conditions are okay as well, and you know the coupon is valid to be applied. What you can do is have this automatically show a notice at the top of your cart when they've added all the things they need to add to their cart to be able to claim the deal. And it will show a notification. So you can say, congrats, you're ready to apply this coupon deal. And you can have it add a little button there, and when they click the button, it will apply the coupon to the cart. So this is just about taking away the pain of having to type in the particular coupon code, or having to remember a coupon code, and giving it to the user when they are qualified. So that one can be a very powerful motivator, and a good way to surprise your customers when they come to the cart. Now, there's one other thing that I want to show you here, which is the auto apply. So if you check this button here over on the right, this means that whenever the cart conditions are correct and it's valid, and they're able to apply this coupon if they were to type it in, it will automatically apply the coupon. So this one can be really, really handy if you wish to give away, let's say, like free shipping for any orders over $150. If you do that and you enable this auto apply coupon here, it will automatically just apply the coupon straight away. And when they get to the cart page or the checkout page, it will essentially be there all ready for them, ready to go. They just get that deal automatically. So that's a summary of all the conditions there in the coupons that we've added, that will give you a lot more power to apply different kinds of deals, things that you can't normally apply with just the standard WooCommerce coupons. So you can also come in here and say if you're an administrator and you have people managing your site for you, and you wish to hide parts of the plugin, parts of the tabs, so you may not want them to ever see the auto apply, you can uncheck this and it will deactivate that module, which also means that the plugin will run faster as well. So you can go through here, any of these types of modules, parts of Advanced Coupons plugin that you don't need and you know you won't need, you can just uncheck and it will make the plugin faster and less confusing for people that are managing your site for you. Now, there's a couple of other option areas, so some options here for the URL coupons. You can go through and just give them a few different things, so custom like success messages. You can hide the coupon fields on the cart and checkout pages if you wish. You can redirect to a certain URL after applying the coupon. You can change the prefix, so by default it'll be like yoursite.com/coupon/ and then the coupon code. If you wish, you can change that. In the scheduler, we also have some options here, so you can set like a default message for the whether the coupon has started yet or whether it's expired. That can be handy, so you just don't have to set that every time that you create a coupon. You can use the role restrictions. You can also set like a global message there, so you don't have to fill in that every time you create a coupon. You can create a nice generic message there. We also have a little help section here too, which has some links off to our knowledge base, which is an important area for you to know, and our blog, which we cover lots of coupon marketing ideas, strategies, management, tutorials, even just general like store kind of tips for store owners and stuff like that. And make sure that if you haven't yet, come over to this license section here and put in your activation email and your license key. That will make sure that you keep getting updates to the plugin, because we are actively working on this plugin and we always release new updates. We do checks and we fix bugs and things like that. This will ensure that they come through in your normal dashboard updates and you'll be ready to rock and roll. So that is how the WooCommerce Advanced Coupons plugin works. As an overview, this has been pretty high level, so dig around through that knowledge base. The link is in that help section there if you ever get lost or don't remember where it was. Have a look through that knowledge base. If you've got any questions about particular areas of the plugin, feel free to reach out, but have a look through the knowledge base first, because we're putting lots of guides and troubleshooting stuff, videos like this one where we go more in depth about particular features inside of the plugin, and that should get you going. And if you ever run into any troubles, please reach out to our friendly support team. We're always here to help you, and our goal is to make you, the store owner, earn more money. So that's exactly the whole point of this plugin, the whole point of the endeavor of using coupons to boost your revenue and kick more goals. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please just reach out. Thank you.